This is my Demon Slayer Hashira tier list. Rengoku is an easy, good option for the hashira. He has a light personality and is very kind. I can see why he makes it so high on the tier list. Gyumi never stood out to me. Sanemi had a good character design, but a pretty downgrading personality. Obine has an amazing character design, and I really like him as a hashira. I didn't understand the hype around you. Adorable, just adorable. Very cool and well-designed character. He's so chill like you. Can't say you don't like him a little because he did nothing wrong.